Have you ever wanted to see how many rides you could stomach on the Smiler in a row? Or how many times on Oblivion you could plunge into the darkness? Well, I had that exact opportunity at Alton Towers with the Attraction Source Summer Festival, where they hired out the Smiler and Oblivion for 1 hour of ERT. That is exclusive ride time. We could ride them as many times as we wanted in an hour. This was an absolutely fantastic event, definitely one for the really hardcore enthusiasts, especially riding the Smiler as many times as I did. The Smiler still to this day has the world record for the most inversions on a coaster, 14, and I did them many times on this event. Along with Oblivion being the first ever dive coaster, plunging into that tunnel, the amount of times that I did on this trip was so fun. And today I'm going to take you along for that exact experience. I would definitely recommend these Attraction Source events. This is the second one I've done now after the Accelerate event they held at Thorpe Park for Stealth, where we had an hour's ERT for that attraction too, and I got 13 rides in. It was fantastic. And this one was equally as fun. I will definitely be getting to more of their events in the future.
That was inversion number 70. 70 inversions now we've done.
There was also a Q&A with the park's Vice President Howard Eberson at the end of the event as well. I'll leave it until the end of the video to talk about that, but he revealed a lot of exciting things, and I'm very excited for the park's future. But let's get into the event. At around 4 o'clock, we all assembled in the Mutiny Bay courtyard to receive our wristbands for the event. Then we had around 2.5 hours to get on some rides together and then make our way down to X Sector where the experience begins.
Making our way down to the Smiler now. We've got an hour on this, an hour on Oblivion, well, together, shared. We're going to see how many times we can ride them. Be interested to see how many inversions we get as well, because obviously Smiler's got 14. We're going to do it multiple times. We'll have to see how many, but it could be the most inversions I've ever done in a day. Well, it definitely will be. I'm really excited. Everyone's gathered. The event's about to begin. So excited for this ERT. We're starting our ERT off on the Smiler. This is round 1 completed on the Smiler. 14 inversions in. Secret door. There we go, straight back round. Ride number 2, 28 inversions in. So just getting started. We got row number 1, let's go. Just had back row actually. That was actually pretty smooth. We had second row first time. It wasn't so smooth. The back row was really good. That was lap number 3. That's a lot of inversions. I can't remember how many. I worked it out. 42 inversions so far. That's a lot. We're going to take a bit of a break and go on Oblivion. Being a beautiful dive coaster. Can you class it as a break? I think you can. Yeah. Really enjoying this event so far. We're barely even into it. We've got 3 laps on the Smiler. See how many we can get on Oblivion, and then we'll probably go back over to the Smiler as well. Wow. Sort of a front row with the Park Vice President as well. Howard, that was great. Sat down, straight back on. had not one, not two, but 3 rides in a row on Oblivion. The first time we stayed on the same train, on the same row, and then the second time we were like, should we change roads? And then we just stayed in that seat. It was great. Like with the Smiler one, you have to walk all the way back round, there's loads of stairs, but with this one, you just like move a different road. It's brilliant. It's so good so far. We're going to go back over to the Smiler now. I think that's where everyone is. Oblivion was really quiet, but yeah, this event is so good. Headed straight back over to the Smiler now, get a few more rides in. Oh, recording whilst walking downstairs is so difficult. So that's 3 rides in on Smiler so far, 3 rides in Oblivion, 6 rides in about 40 minutes. It's really good. I'm so much fun. Oh, so many stairs. Oh no, front row again. Ride number 4 there on the Smiler. So that's 56 inversions. Yeah, wow. More stairs. That was inversion number 70. 70 inversions now we've done. I feel like I'm just beginning to drift in and out of consciousness. But I'm gonna go again. Even more stairs. Even more stairs. Here we go again. It's just gone 8 o'clock, time for our final ride. This is ride number 5 on the Smiler. No, number 6. There we go, we got the final train there on the Smiler. That was absolutely fantastic. But wow, I can tell I've done, I think that was 6 rides. Whew. There we go, 6 rides on the Smiler, 84 inversions I've just experienced in the past 40 minutes, and then we spent about 20 minutes over at Oblivion getting 3 rides in there. Oh, what an insane event. I do feel like I've been beaten up a little bit. Smiler's rough, but wow, it was fantastic.
After the ERT was over, we made our way down to the Alton Towers Hotel, which is where the conference centre is. Here we had a really fascinating chat and Q&A with Howard Ebbinson, the new Vice President of Alton Towers. After giving us a brief rundown of who he was and how he came to work at Alton Towers, he then did a Q&A session where we could ask him pretty much whatever we want, and we got some fascinating and very honest answers. He spoke about how amazing this year's Scarefest would be, and now that we know the new Scare Maze that's just been announced, Final Exhibit, which is themed to the Alton Towers exhibition, it sounds like a truly awesome addition and I can't wait to experience it. He spoke a bit about Project Horizon as well, saying that ground has been broken so they've secured the planning permission, and if he gets his way it will be built. Which was absolutely amazing to hear. It does sound like Merlin are definitely weighing up the financial side of it before the project does fully go ahead, but it was really exciting to see that there is still enthusiasm and excitement around this project internally at Alton Towers. All in all, it sounds like the park is definitely in safe hands, and it was a fantastic way to end not only a brilliant event but a fantastic day at Alton Towers. I really hope you enjoyed this vlog of my experience at the Attraction Source Summer Festival 2026 at Alton Towers. It was fantastic. I look forward to attending more of their events in the future because I had an amazing time. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.